Cameras rolling, capturing light, filming stories, morning, noon and night. Sharing the beauty and joy from my view, the happiness of creating something new. Then I take the clay, soft and cool, molding and shaping, that's my role. With gentle hands, I start to form a sculpture's journey, weathering the storm. I pour my heart into each piece, a labor of love, a sweet release. And as I work, the camera rolls, a story told as beauty unfolds. At the studio, rooted in. You lift her up so high, her laughter dances in the sky. On your shoulders, a world anew. My heart swells watching both of you. Innocent smile, a guiding light, your loving care, so strong and true, a masterpiece made for you. With love and art, this moment's magic held in my heart, in a land. Monsoon gray washes all the world away. The window frames a world of green. The most peaceful start I've ever seen. A soft drum on the studio roof, a gentle, natural, quiet proof that everything outside can wait. As I unlatch the wooden peaceful here at Rooted In. Sometimes the wheel begins to hum, I center clay beneath my thumb. The walls rise up, a steady spin, letting the quietness sink in. And some days, patient coil by coil, I feel the story in the soil, a pinch pot held, a form so true. In everything my hands can do, here at Rooted In, the world grows slow. My hands in earth, I watch things grow. The rain outside, a whispered song. This is the place where I belong.